What up, Jammers? This is your boy 2JAM3S, and I'm back in the building. And this is a unique video. I wanted to show you guys my up and coming PC. So I got the case. I'll leave any links in the description if you guys are interested. So there's the Animax BB1 case. I got the disk drive or optical drive already installed. Here's my top buttons. Got your power, the LED lights. Got the one for your headphone jack, your microphone, USB, and USB 3.0. You got 3 USBs on the top. Flipping around back. You got one fan already sitting in the back. Big old space. Your power supply goes down here in the bottom. So it's still a work in progress. That's where I started. Up on the desk, I got the Logitech G200S. Pretty solid mouse. I like the feel of it. You know, you got your scroll. Got 2 buttons on the top, 2 on each side. Pretty got a nice grip here. You can change this LED light right here. You just gotta download the software. It's pretty solid. Not the best one on the market, but you know, if you want to get started on it, that is the one I would recommend. Then I got the SteelSeries QMass mouse pad. I know you might clown and say, oh, it's just a mouse pad, but this mouse pad makes a big difference. First of all, let's get this tablet out of the way. Set that to the bottom. So you see you got a nice mask area for your mouse. Gives you a good range when you're playing your MMOs, your RPGs, your first person shooters. This is the mouse pad to get. Then my special thing about this build is my Red Dragon keyboard. It's very light. The keys are very light. You know, you got here, you can change the colors however you want. I'm going with the red and black build. So that's the one right here. Got your solid Red Dragon, lights up. You got your function keys. You can change them however you want. So you got 2 sets, up, down, left, right, however you want to make it. You can actually disable this Windows button if you like, if that gets in the way. And you know, you have your pause, you got your forward and back. You know, typical things you find on a regular keyboard. But it's very light on the fingers, and you barely hear the sound. It's like phenomenal. And what I just got a couple days ago, super excited. As you can see, it's from Newegg. Take it from a geek. You know how that goes. Shout out to Newegg. See if I can do this with one hand. Alright. And for the main brain, I'm rocking the Core i5 8400. It does have, for great VR experience, is not unlocked, but it basically turbos up when you play a game. So when you're playing normal, it'll sit at the 2.8. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, the zoom is a little bad. But it's 2.88 gigahertz. It has 6 cores. So like, let's say once you start playing your PC games and stuff like that, it will automatically turbo up to 4.0. So you get that good high speed performance. Intel, like I said, it's 6 cores. And I'm super excited about this because it constantly kept getting sold out. I've been hunting for this one for about a good 3 months. Every time it will come up, it'll either be regular price, which was $250 at the time, or it was sold out when it was on sale at $199. But luckily I had the money set aside, and Newegg sent me that notification, and voila, here is the beauty. So now I will be keeping you guys up to date on the upcoming parts I got coming up, and I'll also be doing a video when I actually put the PC together. Hopefully, let me see, we're already at the end of November. Hopefully before the New Year's, we'll have this computer up and running. So there you have it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick insight of what I've been doing. Because I did stop playing console, so I'm going strictly PC gaming. And this is just my start. A couple things I was able to pick up. And Hope you guys stay tuned, and I'm super excited to bring you guys PC gaming at its top quality. And stay tuned. So to the next video, this is your boy 2James. I'm signing out.